Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB, day number 6 in the connection of preparation for NET, ECAT and NTHP. I don't boost, I am not a booster. You can check all these questions selected from the previous past papers of quality. There is no compromise on quality. You can verify, you can check. Let's see and find out. Our question number 1 reads as if y is equal to root sin x plus root sin x plus root sin x and so on, keep on increasing root as you goes by up to infinite. Three dots shows standard infinite terms. Three dots shows standard infinite. Taking this and prove that it's 2y minus 1 times dy upon dx is equal to cos. Taking this, we have y is equal to sin x plus sin x plus sin x and so on, root, another root, another root. Simply squaring both sides, we can get rid of at least one square root. It will become y square. We have sin x, root sin x plus root sin x plus root sin x and so on. The data repeats, it is equal to y. It's equal to y, it's equal to y. Instead of all this, let us introduce y. It will become y square is equal to sin x plus y. Now differentiate, we are going to get through differentiate with respect to x. Y square means 2y. Make the power coefficient, substitute 1 from the power, then the derivative of b is derivative of y is dy over dx. Differentiation of sine is cos x. Derivative of y is dy over dx. Y is dependent variable, x is independent variable. Solve for dy upon dx. Shift dy upon dx on the left hand side. 2y times dy upon dx minus dy upon dx is equal to cos x. Taking dy upon dx common, we have 2y, nothing remains, 1 remains, is equal to cos x. That's a tiny fact that we have to prove. Federal board also gives their 10 as well. 10 sometimes got. You should have a good idea about this situation. Next time you will grapple with such situation with utmost ease and confidence. We have already done inverse and its function results in x. This is universal identity or composition of inverse and its function is x. Let's see and find out. First of all, find its inverse. F of x means what? Root x cube plus 4. Solve for x, make x subject, solve for x. Squaring both sides, we have y square is equal to x cube plus 4. Shift 4 there. We are interested in the value of x only. Y square minus 4 is equal to x cube. To remove x cube, taking cube root, 3 cancel, so x is equal to cube root y square minus 4. Change the dummy variable to again x, from y to x. This is our cube root x square minus 4. This is our inverse. Now find its composition with the original function and it should be equal to x. Composition of function and its inverse. It means that in the original function, instead of x, put f inverse x. In the original function, instead of x, put f inverse x. That's our original function. It is equal to, instead of x cube, f inverse x whole cube plus 4. What is the value of f inverse x? That is the value of f inverse x. Root, cube root x square minus 4 raised to cube plus 4. Cube and cube root cancelled out, we have x square minus 4 plus 4 cancelled out, we have only x, and function at inverse composition results in x. That we have to prove. The last question from quantitative as well as same square root type. Suppose it is equal to x root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6 and so on. Squaring both sides in the same fashion, in the same token, x square is equal to 6 plus square root 6 and so on. Instead of this, again introduce x. It's the data repeats. It's the same data, x square plus 6x. Shift them one side. Now it's your trinomial type. 3 to the 6. 3 minus 3 plus 2 results in minus 1. So we have x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. Taking x common, x minus 3. 2 common, we have x minus 3. Another bracket, x minus 3 overall common. One bracket, x minus 3. Other is x plus 2. Either or, solve for x is equal to 3, x is equal to minus 2. Discard this value because positive square root result in positive. So our answer in that case is x is equal to 3. This is equal to 3. It's my tiny effort on day number 6 for you guys. What I have next for you, wait and see. It's all by itself. Next.